This is Ortur Laser Master 3, and today we're going to make something cool. We're going to use display wood that it laser comes with. Safety first, guys. Remember, I'm going to use aluminum sheet that I buy it from local store. I don't want to burn my table. Very simple to use this application. It's very well made. Connect your laser. Now we're going to album, going to choose some picture. This one. Next. Now we're going to choose red size. It's about 50 or 55. So we're going to make 45 or something. Yes, I think it's okay. Now my settings. We're going to cut, so we're going to use vector, contour, power 95, speed 600, one time it's okay, static, and we're going to use medium quality. We just cut, so it's okay. After that, we're going back to preview. Now we're going to, I like to see cutting area. If you push this tool, so you can change speed. I prefer 1.5% and 2500 millimeters per minute speed. After that, you just push preview button. Okay, we out. It's a simple project, so I'm moving my laser head with the hand. Last time, I think it will be okay now. Yeah. Now, when you're ready and you are happy with your settings, you go to Start. Just push Start button. Yes, we already leveled it before. Check it. We're going to start from this position. So I'm going to use this button. And next. Yes, we know that. Now it's time from engraving or cutting. When you're done, you just push run button. Yes, we are ready. Super simple, super easy. Anyone can do. I'm going to upload picture so you can try by yourself. When you receive this laser, it comes with everything you need actually. All cables, samples, so you can test like we do now. Very well made instruction, safety glasses and so on. Simple, isn't it? Easy, fast. Wow, just one pass. So nice. How funny. Really cool. I hope you like this video, guys. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming soon.